Hey everybody, this is Teslan for Fiat Club America. We're going to look today at how to renew your membership if you are already a member. About 11 months after your previous membership, you should get a notice in your email telling you that your membership is about to expire. It will give you a link, I believe, to go renew it right then, but if you want to wait later on, every time you go to Fiat Club America website and press login, it will give you a little pop-up that says your membership is expiring. Just click on yes, I want to renew now, and it'll take you to the renewal screen. You get two options as always. You can do a one-time payment for $60 for 12 months. And that will allow you to include a spouse partner member with their login for the website, or for a $5 discount, $55, you can do a recurring membership. This adds a little box saying it auto renews. And when you do that, you don't have to go in and renew it next year. It will renew automatically. So if you plan on being in the club for a while, this gives you a small discount on your membership. You also can still include your spouse partner membership online. So we're going to say I want to switch to renewing. I think a lot of us, when it converted to us, we did one-time payment. So here's your chance to go to renewing, and you don't have to worry about it again in the future. You pick whichever membership type you want. Click next. So this screen gives you a couple options. In the top, under me as the primary member, I have DFW Fiat Club listed as my chapter. If I want to change chapters, I can just click here, and then it'll show a little icon with a green plus arrow. I click on that, and here, I'll just do it. Okay, now I can add a chapter, and of course I'll add the same one. You click the drop down menu on selected chapter, scroll down DFW Club, bam. And again, if you don't select a chapter, Fiat Club America will look at your zip code and automatically assign you to the closest chapter to your zip code. This is a way, by selecting a chapter, of ensuring you get any kind of information correspondence from the chapter you wish to follow. You can pick whatever chapter you want. Sometimes people pick a chapter that isn't the closest one, especially on the East Coast where a lot of chapters are close together, because their car friends are all in a different chapter, so they prefer to be in that chapter. Spouse partners, same thing. If I didn't already have one set up, this button would be just like the one up on the remove from chapter. It would have spouse partner account with a little green arrow. Click on that. They'll ask for the spouse partner name, address, stuff like that. The one caveat here is your spouse partner must reside in the same domicile as you. If you live in New Hampshire and your spouse or partner lives in Massachusetts, you can't do this. You have to live at the same address. And again, all this does is it gives your spouse or partner a login account to fiatclubamerica.com through Club Express. We charge $5 for it because Club Express charges us a monthly fee based on how many active member and login accounts we have. So because of the way pricing works, we make a very little amount of money by charging $5, but if we let everybody add members for free, we would end up losing money every month because they do charges per member. And same thing, your spouse partner can select a chapter. I have her set up for DFW Fiat Club, but you could conceivably pick a different chapter than what you have, because that way, say you have two chapters that are fairly close to you. You could be on one chapter, so you get correspondence from them. Your spouse partner could be on a different chapter, so you get correspondence from them. Because sometimes chapters will send out correspondence based on their membership roles. So this is a way of being able to get correspondence from more than one chapter. Okay, so we have this set up how we want it. We click next. Personal information. This is kind of like a recap, just to make sure everything is correct. You check out your address, your phone, your email. It tells you what type of membership you're purchasing. It shows that you're getting an additional partner spouse account. Obviously, if you didn't do that, that wouldn't be there. Shows your total charge. And then you can hit finish and proceed to payment, or you can hit backspace and back up to the screen you need to change something and then change it and come back forward to here. And so now it's asking for my payment, and I have a variety of different things. I am going to use credit card, and then it's going to ask me for all my credit card information, which obviously I'm not going to type in on here to where everybody in the world can see my credit card information. So I fill that out, click submit payment, and I have now re-registered, and now I'm a recurring payment, so I don't have to do that again. All I have to do is make sure that my card that's listed as my payment information is current. It's one of those things where if you need a new card or it expires, make sure you update it. If not, you'll get a notice saying, hey, we couldn't process your payment. Please update your payment information. So there you go. It's an easy process. If you change it to recurring payment, you don't have to worry about doing it again, and you get a $5 discount to boot. You can add a spouse partner for $5. That gives them login access to the Club Express Fiat Club America website. Remember, whether you do that or not, by default, your spouse or partner automatically is considered an associate member of Fiat Club America. They don't have voting rights. They do have the ability to drive on official Fiat Club America events and participate for free, basically. It comes with your membership. Your spouse or partner gets in free. You may have a family member who wants to log in and participate in the forums or something. You can add them instead of your spouse or partner. So you can add family members or spouse partner just to get access to the website. That'll make them a member. A lot of areas, some areas on the website are only available to members. This will give them access to the whole website for $5 a year. So I hope that helps everybody out. Feel free to leave comments on the video. I'm making more in the future, mostly about the website. And so your feedback really helps me make these videos better for everybody. Thanks, and I hope to see you at a Fiat Club event soon. Have a good day.